Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today I'm going to be bringing you the July Detox Box. And you may be wondering what happened. Did we miss the June Detox Box? You may have if you're only subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you should go ahead and click the subscription button and also click the bell button so you're notified of when I post new videos. But you should also check me out on Instagram because I ended up just talking about the June Detox Box on my Instagram. My content schedule kind of got messed up in June. It's still honestly trickling over into July, but I just didn't have time in my posting schedule to post on the June Detox Box on my YouTube channel. So I just talked about it on my Instagram. So if you want to hear my thoughts on the random product here or there, or sometimes subscription boxes, or just catch up on what's going on in my life, you should definitely check me out on Instagram. I'm at Naturally Beautiful Girl there. So let's go ahead and just jump right into the July Detox Box. I'm an affiliate with the Detox Market and they do send me the box each month, but you guys know I will always give you my honest thoughts and opinions on the products in the box. If you do want to sign up for the box, I do have affiliate links in the description box, and any commission that I make just goes to help support Naturally Beautiful Girl and allowing me to purchase more products to try out for you guys. So this month's box I'm really excited about because it features a brand that I have loved for years, and that is Graydon Skincare. And Graydon is definitely in the category of brands that I feel like deserves more love in the clean beauty space. I discovered Graydon quite a few years ago, and the product that I absolutely fell in love with and still use to this day, my ride or die face wash, is the Graydon Skincare Super Sensitive Face Foam. And what I love about Graydon overall is that their products are really simplistic in terms of ingredients. A lot of their products are designed for sensitive skin. I would not describe myself as having particularly sensitive skin, but I really appreciate products that are just like very minimalistic in ingredients, but still effective, because especially if you are adding in a lot of other products that have a lot of active ingredients, it's nice to just have some like kind of more simplistic products in your routine. Also, I do suffer from quite a bit of acne. I have oily, acne-prone skin, and for me, I find that a lot of times these just kind of like more gentle, not necessarily gentle, but just more simplistic, pared down products really, really work well with my skin, and especially with my breakouts. So in the box this month, we get 2 products from Graydon Skincare, and one of them, this is actually my first time trying it out, and the other one is a staple of mine. The first one that we got in this month's box is the Skin Stuff, and this is their face and eye ceramide cream, and this is from their Super Sensitive line, which is the exact same line where their Super Sensitive face foam comes from. And I was really excited to try this out. It's a very lightweight moisturizer, which I really have been enjoying, and I absolutely love the idea of this being usable for both your face and your eye area. As you can see here, I've got a little dab of it right here, and it just kind of blends in really nicely, as you can see, and it's super lightweight. This moisturizer is perfect for me in the summertime because I do have more oily skin, and I really have been enjoying using it. I typically use it at night. Honestly, my face, it has been so hot here and my face has been getting so oily. I've been really minimal in the amount of moisturizer that I'm using on my skin during the day, which typically happens around this time of year, but I still am into using a lightweight moisturizer at night to layer on top of some serums. What really stood out to me about this product is the fact that it is designed for both your face and eyes. I have tried out a lot of eye creams and I found a lot of them to not really be effective. And the reason why sometimes there are separate eye creams compared to just your regular facial moisturizer is a lot of times the ingredients that are in a facial moisturizer are a little bit too intense for the really delicate skin around your eye area. But because this is from their Super Sensitive line, it's really pared down and is safe to use around your eye and your face. So this is like the perfect multi-use product. I have been absolutely enjoying this. I had not tried it out prior to this video, but as I said, I already knew that I loved Graydon Skincare, so I'm not surprised that I am enjoying this. But if you really want a lightweight, multi-purpose moisturizer, this has really been working quite well for me. I was trying to see if it had much of a scent. It doesn't have much of a scent, but I've also already noticed that about the Super Sensitive line, is that it's very minimal in scent profile. And Graydon is a Canadian company as well. They're based in Toronto, which I don't know. I just thought that was kind of a fun fact about them. Oh, and I should mention the value of this super sensitive skin stuff is $49. And this is a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. And it is in an airless pump. So it's going to stay fresh and stay good for quite a while. The second product is this one right here. And this is the Graydon Skincare Full Moon Serum, and I have used this and loved this. Before this one came in the box, I didn't have one currently in rotation just because I have a lot of like aloe-based serums I've been working through recently, but this is one that I have absolutely loved and I'm really excited to have back in my life again. I really just found this to be a product that my skin just really agreed with. I typically will use this during the day because I typically will use my Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Serum at night. This is a perfect daytime serum for me. It's got blue tansy in it, vitamin C. It's just kind of like a very nice, well-rounded product. I find that it just sits really well under other skincare, under makeup. It's just a wonderful product and I'm super happy to have this back in my life again. I've recommended this so many times on my channel and the reason why is it is really just a truly outstanding product and one that I've loved. The only reason I didn't have one currently in my routine is because, you know, with doing YouTube and with trying out products for you guys, I am constantly swapping products in and out of my routine. And when I ran out of this one, it just, you know, got swapped out with another one. Not that I didn't love it, it was just I needed to try out some other products. The value of this product is $87. So this is a 1 fluid ounce product. So the value of the box this month is $136, which is pretty crazy. And you get 2 beautiful products from Graydon Skincare. So if you've had any interest in trying out Graydon Skincare, I think this box is an excellent way to do it. I highly recommend both of the products. I really love them. I hope if you are subscribed to the box that you're really excited to try out some products from Graydon Skincare as well. And let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried any of their products before. If you have, let us know which ones are your favorites. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit brief this time and I normally do a review of the previous month's box, but I explained this on my Instagram. I haven't tried out 2 of the products in last month's box because they were a mascara and eyeliner. And I didn't need to open them yet, so I didn't fully test out last month's box. I didn't think it made sense to provide a review of it, but it was featuring 100% pure, some of their makeup and skincare items, which was really cool. But so next month, I will give you a full review of the Graydon Skincare box, as well as share with you what the next month's box is. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, once again, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram so you get to see all of my content. And once again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.